If you're trying to make money in 2026 online and you're feeling confused, probably you're feeling overwhelmed, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be sharing with you what works and what doesn't really work in 2026. And before we continue with this video, you need to understand this one thing. A lot of people you see, they are not failing on the internet because they don't have effort or because they're not putting in the effort. They're failed online because they're chasing the wrong thing. And in this video, all you have to do is stay to the end of this video, because I'm going to be pointing out the things you are doing wrong and the things you need to start doing so that you start seeing the result you want to be seeing on the internet, probably for yourself. You need to start learning, probably applying these things that will start making you money instead of wasting your time. You know, every day matters, and how you put in that effort, what you do with your time, how you do it, it all matters. So instead of wasting your time, you just have to focus on what works and make the best of your time all of the time. So before we look at what works online, we need to first of all look at what doesn't work anymore. First of all, if you look at the internet, there are things that are old school. There are things that doesn't work anymore. There are things that if you do them from now till tomorrow, you not see any result, because time have changed, right? The attention span of people, the way things work on the internet have changed over the years. AI have replaced a lot of things. The way people approach things, the way people perceive things, how to make money online, everything, almost everything on the internet has changed. So what is that thing that if you do them on the internet that you're not going to be seeing results? That is the first thing we're going to be talking about in this video. First of all is random crypto plays. Like, you don't have to play around making money with crypto when you don't have the right knowledge. A lot of people you see on the internet, they keep jumping from one Telegram groups or probably Telegram channels to the other, looking for signals, looking for one coin that want to pump to times 100 to times 10 without having that fundamental and technical analysis, without having this knowledge, this know-how of how this thing really works. If you do that online in 2026, you're not going to be making any money. At the end of the day, you're going to be ending up being rock pulled. Your capital is going to be wiped away from your wallet in seconds because you are actually playing blindly. This is one of the things that doesn't work in 2026. Second thing that doesn't work online in 2026 is secret course with no skills. A lot of people, you are getting course, or probably you are doing the things that doesn't actually apply any skills. You're just playing blindly. The way you apply and you get paid this week is different from the way you are paid to get paid next week. If you are the kind of person that doesn't apply same thing and getting result every single day or every single week, then you are playing, you are gambling on the internet. You need to know how to apply and what to do to make money every single time. You need to know how to make money. Let's say you are a crypto trader, for instance. You need to know how to run technical analysis, fundamental analysis. You need to have good psychology and how to go about all of this system. You need to know what you are doing at every point in time. At the moment you are confused or probably you don't know what to do, you just know that this is not going to be making you money or profit at the end of the day. Another thing that doesn't work online in 2026 is copy and paste affiliate link. A lot of people, you see them, they just copy affiliate link from, let's say, digital product like Seller, like Udemy, and then they go to other people's comment or probably a viral post comment, and then they paste the product link. People buy clarity, people buy satisfaction, people buy what they understand. And the moment you are copying and pasting affiliate link here and there and expecting result at the end of the day, your dashboard is going to remain zero. All you have to do is ensure, if you want to do probably copy and paste an affiliate link or go into affiliating, let people understand what they are buying, because it takes a lot for people to input their credit card details to make that purchase of that product you are selling to them. And when they don't have this clarity, you're not going to be buying the product you are selling. If they don't have understanding, if your product is not solving any problem, these people are not going to be making any move. So copying and pasting affiliate link doesn't work in 2026 anymore. Another thing that doesn't work in 2026 is chasing 5 side hustle at once. Let's say you are doing ghostwriting, you are doing copywriting, you are doing digital marketing, you are doing dropshipping, you are doing Amazon KDP at once. You don't have the energy and time to do that. You have only 24 hours. In these 24 hours, you need to eat, you need to rest, you need to sort out your life problems and routine. You need to actually sleep and then think of making money with at least, let's say, 2 to 4 hours. You can't do 5 things at once. And when it comes to internet, when it comes to making a source of livelihood in any business model at all, you need to actually give this thing quality time. If you want to become a content creator, focus more on becoming a content creator. If you want to become a YouTuber, focus more on becoming a good YouTuber. If you want to become a writer, focus more on writing. If you want to become a driver, focus more on driving. Whatever you want to do, give it your 100% attention. And when you do this thing over time, you're going to start seeing results than doing 5 things at once and expecting results from all of the 5 of them. You are going to keep struggling in all of the 5 of them. Just like the saying, jack of all trades is a master of none. So you need to focus on one, build mastery around it, and monetize it within the shortest period of time. And the last one on the list thing that doesn't work in 2026 is waiting to feel ready. A lot of people you see, they are looking for motivation. They are looking for something that will tell them to move. They are looking for something that will tell them start doing this business. But the moment you keep waiting, you're going to keep waiting for a very long time. Once you have this habit of waiting, tomorrow you always see another tomorrow. Once that tomorrow comes, you always see another tomorrow. So waiting to feel ready is one of the strategy, or probably is one of the things that doesn't work in 2026. Whatever you want to start doing, all you have to do is embrace it, start doing it. start doing it so bad, start doing it recklessly, but make sure you are doing it. Because the moment you start waiting to feel ready, you are not going to start. And that doesn't work in 2026. So after listening to all that doesn't work in 2026, I'm sure you want to know what really works in 2026. One of the things that work in 2026 is selling of skills, right? You need to know how to sell your skills. Most of the time, a lot of people want to make money online. You need to understand that making money online still remains the same, but you need to have a skills you are selling to people. People don't just buy nothing. They buy something. It's either you have a skill that help you sell your services to people, or you have a skill that helps you sell your product to people. So what do you have in exchange for money? That is one of the things that work in 2026. So you need to have a skill that will help you make money by selling your services or product to people in 2026. Example of the skills you can actually sell in 2026. This can be short form video editing. This can be copywriting. This can be ghostwriting. This can be automation. This can be graphic designing. And if you want to learn a high income skill of ghostwriting and YouTube automation, all you have to do is check the link in the description of this video. I have a program that will teach you step by step how to get started writing stories, partner with multi-billion-dollar company website abroad, and you get paid in dollars, or how to get started with your faceless YouTube and TikTok automation, get paid by monetizing your content. All of these are done with AI. So check the link in the description of this video, and I'll see you in class. So if you want to sell a skill on the internet, you don't need to be the best. You just have to learn and perfect these skills to that level that can actually help you offer some level of services to people. Skills will give you the leverage to build audience. Without skills, it's going to be very, very difficult to have people that will engage you and buy from you. Method number 2 that works online in 2026 if you want to make money is AI-powered services. What you need to understand about AI is that it doesn't replace you. It helps you work faster. It helps you work better, and it helps you work even quicker. So a lot of people, they come to realize, or probably they tell themselves these lies, that AI is coming to steal their job. Look at a cameraman, for instance. Look at a videographer, for instance. Look at a video editor, for instance. AI will save you the time of probably the stress of doing stuff that you need to do for hours. Look at a YouTube automator, for instance. Let's say you're in the niche of, let's say, short film, or probably you kind of like you summarize long film into short form and you post on YouTube. Instead of sitting down to watch a movie for 4 hours, then you go ahead and start summarizing it, writing the script, crafting those images, those scenes chapter by chapter, so probably scene by scene, then animating it. AI tools can actually help you summarize this movie in minutes and help you create a short form movie summary in minutes without you spending 4 hours. So AI is here to make you work faster, work better, and work more perfect. Instead of seeing AI as your competitor, see it as a collaborator and as something that is here to make your life easier and faster. 2026 and beyond, you need to understand this one thing. Businesses don't want AI. Businesses want result. What do you now do with AI? Use AI to derive the kind of result that businesses want. Make money with it and work faster. Another thing that works on the internet in 2026 and beyond is content monetization. You need to understand that content alone doesn't work. Content with plan is what works. Look at it this way. You have a content, you have a very big channel, and you don't sell any product. You don't sell any service. Look at Mr. Beast, for instance. He's always selling vegetable products. Look at big brands, for instance. Anytime you see them make any video, they are always selling something to you. So you can monetize your content through affiliate links. You can monetize your content through digital products. You can monetize your content through consultation. So you need to actually find a way to monetize your content all of the time. Don't just be putting out content on the internet blindly. You need to find a way to get the people that are consuming your content make purchase to the products or services that make their life better and easier. If you're a content creator, you don't need hundreds of millions of views always. You need the right set of people, even if there are 100 people, but they are the right audience for your content. The fourth method or thing you can do on the internet that will make you money in 2026 and beyond is digital products. Digital product work, yes, but it only works with clarity. This can be template, this can be courses, this can be ebooks, this can be information package, and you sell it to people. One of the reasons why people will buy from you is if they understand what you are trying to sell to them, if they understand the problem this your product is helping them to solve. Let's say I want to become a content creator, for instance, and you have a program that teaches people to become a professional content creator from beginner to pro, right? You need to actually tell these people, this is what my product does. You need to actually tell the people the problem your product solves. Because if you don't create your product around a problem, it's going to be difficult for you to sell this your product. The mistake a lot of creators make, or a lot of people make, is that they create a product first, and then they start looking for problem that their product solves. It doesn't work that way. Before you sell any product, you need to look for a problem, then you create a product around this problem. In that case, you can use your product to solve that problem, and it's going to be faster for you. But the moment you create a product first, then you start looking for problems to solve with your product, you are making a very big mistake, and that will not make you money in 2020. So today you need to understand this. Making money online is not about hacks. It's about alignment. One skill at a time, one platform at a time, one system at a time, and you need to execute so brutally. You need to execute every single day. Consistency will beat motivation every single day. And when you are consistent, it in one way or the other try to create momentum. And when there is this momentum, you see that result comes so easily. So you need to be consistent so that the momentum can actually come. And you need to do it even though it feels uncomfortable. You just have to stay consistent. Even though you don't see result in your first 30 days, your first 60 days, your first 6 months. If you know that this thing you are doing is right and your purpose align with it, all you have to do is remain consistent and there your result will come. So if I'm starting my life today, or let's say I'm starting my online journey today, what will I do differently? First, I'll pick a skills and I'll take my time to learn the skills, at least 30 days to 60 days to learn the skill and master the skills. Then the next thing I'll do is I'll offer this product or service I have, or probably these skills I've learned for free or very cheap in order for me to get proof that this thing really works. Then the next thing I want to do is I'll go ahead and increase my prices or probably raise my price so that I can sell it to more people with the proof I've gathered over time. I'll try to create content around the skills I have in order for me to market these skills I've already acquired. So you don't need to be confident to start. All you need to start making money online in 2026 and beyond is clarity, is understanding, is knowing fully well that I am solving a problem. I'm helping people make money online. I am helping people lose weight. I am helping people understand the business model. I am helping people get the right skill set, leveraging AI. I am helping people do the right thing. You need to have a problem you are solving, and you need to have clarity around this business model, probably these skills you are teaching people. This is because the internet pays people that solve problems. If you are not solving any problem on the internet, if you are not entertaining people, if you are not creating awareness, if you are not teaching people, if you are not solving any problem on the internet, it is going to be very, very difficult for you to get paid. So if this video teach you anything or you learn anything from this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And if you watch to this point, ensure to drop a comment in the comment section. If you want to get started with your ghostwriting journey, check the description of this video and you're going to see the link to get started profitably. And I'll see you in my next video.